Welcome to Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic. This stunning city with its ancient walls and crystal-clear waters is a must-visit destination. Join us on a walking tour through its historic streets. Our journey begins at Pile Gate, the main entrance to Dubrovnik's old town. This grand gate has welcomed visitors since the 16th century. As you pass through, you'll step back in time to a city rich in history and culture. Stroll down Stradun, the main street of Dubrovnik. Lined with limestone buildings, this bustling promenade is the heart of the old town. Don't miss the Onofrio Fountain, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. Next, visit the Franciscan Monastery, home to one of the oldest pharmacies in Europe, dating back to 1317. The monastery's cloister is a peaceful retreat, adorned with beautiful arches and columns. Explore the Rector's Palace, a stunning example of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. Once the seat of the Rector of the Republic of Ragusa, it now houses a museum showcasing Dubrovnik's rich history. Marvel at the Dubrovnik Cathedral, dedicated to the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. This Baroque beauty was rebuilt after the devastating earthquake of 1667 and is home to a treasury filled with relics. No visit to Dubrovnik is complete without a walk along the city walls. These impressive fortifications offer breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea and the red-roofed city below. The walls stretch for nearly 2 kilometers and include several towers and forts. For fans of Game of Thrones, Dubrovnik is a treasure trove of filming locations. Visit the iconic spots where scenes from King's Landing were shot, including Fort Lovrijenac and the Jesuit Staircase. After a day of exploring, indulge in some local cuisine. Try traditional dishes like black risotto, fresh seafood, and the famous Dubrovnik orange cake. Pair your meal with a glass of local wine for the perfect end to your day. As your day comes to an end, unwind at the luxurious Hilton Imperial Dubrovnik. This 5-star hotel offers stunning views, elegant rooms, and top-notch amenities. It's the perfect place to relax and recharge for another day of adventure. Thank you for joining us on this walking tour of Dubrovnik. We hope you enjoyed discovering the beauty and history of this incredible city. Until next time, safe travels.